Hey everyone, Rick here with the Ditch Pig. Today's video is going to be something a little different. If you look at the channel, you can see that we've just come up on 100 videos. No super huge milestone, but I thought it was kind of significant, so I figured I'd switch it up and try something. What I'm going to do is no tech today, no wheeling today, but I'm going to crush some stuff. I've got my old computer, no longer any good. We'll crush that. Figure might as well do the keyboard and the mouse. Hell, we'll even do the rotor. I got the printer. An old home theater system that I bought years ago from Video World. Video World. If you guys are from the local area, you know that place. Yeah, and I'm also gonna just to see what it'll do, because I'm kind of curious what would happen when I put the weight of this truck on these bottles, just to see what happens with the caps on. Will it blow the cap off? Will it bust a hole first? What's gonna give? So yeah, just a quick video crushing some stuff for the 100th video. For all of you that are new to this channel and you've never seen it before, click that subscribe button and check out some of the things we do every once in a while. We got some wheeling, we got some tech, we got crushing stuff. So yeah, let's get to the action. Okay, so first we're gonna try this distilled water bottle. I just put a rock in front of it just in case it tries to slide out or whatever. I can't see what's happening when I'm in the cab, but yeah, we're gonna squish that and see what transpires. Okay, here we go. Well, I felt it go over it, but I didn't hear a pop or a bang or anything like that. Yeah, it just put a hole in it somewhere and lost the air. Okay, not that interesting. So let's try the windshield washer jug next, see what that does. I didn't hear anything. I kind of like to hear a pop, but nothing. No. Pretty uneventful. Okay, so let's move on to some of this stuff. Just gonna lay some cardboard down to make the cleanup a little easier, because I imagine this stuff is gonna be pretty nasty. Okay, home theater system. Let's crush it. Oh, we're on it. Oh yeah, that definitely sounded like it got squished. Yeah, that thing had a bad day. Oh yeah, yeah. She gone. I'm pretty sure we can take this back to Video World though. They can fix it for us. They got a pretty good service technician there, so yeah. I think I'm just gonna back over again once more, give her one more shot. Yeah, that definitely messed it up a bit more. Okay. Get that out of the way. Move on to the next thing. I feel like Geordi off of Star Trek. Not really. I think we're just going to do a full meal deal with this last one. We'll just put everything in a row and just let it rip. Crush everything all at once. We'll do the full computer system. The only thing we're missing is the monitor and speakers. But yeah, we'll just squish it all. I think that printer's going to just disintegrate. The computer, yeah, we'll see what happens there. It's got a metal case, but you got to keep in mind that that thing there weighs like, it's over 6,000 pounds, and you got like a quarter of that, I guess, weighing down on it. We'll see what happens. Okay, so here's how I got it set up. We're gonna go keyboard first, then the mouse, then the D-Link rotor, do some copying, and then we're gonna crush the tower. So that's how we're gonna do it. I wonder if I should put a little more space in here between these. I think it'll be all right. I think no matter what, it's gonna get messed up. So yeah, I did lock it into 4-wheel drive for this. I don't think it's gonna matter, but just so that it doesn't push it, it'll like suck it in a little better, so it doesn't move it ahead and push it off the cardboard or whatever, but it is what it is. So I'll go over it and then run it back over it again and see how that works. All right, first gear, low range, 4-wheel drive. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happened. Not nearly as bad as what I thought it would be. Well, that's no good. That computer case held up pretty well. The copier, yeah, she took a thrashing because it's got glass in it. That keyboard is still good. It squished the cable a little bit, but all the keys are... No, we're not having this. All right, we got to run her again. Let's do something like this. Even the router looks like it would still work. I don't know. We'll put that there. The mouse, that's still healthy. We'll put that there. Yeah. We're gonna mess some stuff up this time, I'm sure. Keyboard's going this time. See, all that noise must have been just the glass in the printer. No mercy this time. All right, let's just stop her there and see how it looks. Okay, well it messed it up more, but still. Oh, the router took a shit. I don't think we have internet anymore. Still, the keyboard's still good. The mouse didn't like it. All right, we gotta back over that again. if I could see in front. I keep hearing stuff going crunch, but alright, let's have a look. Wow, that keyboard is tough. This we can't have though. This we can't have. We gotta do something about this. I got an idea. Okay. I think this will finish it off. Safety first. Because you never know. This is a Canadian Tire 8-pound sledgehammer. Not too much holds up to this, right? Let's see what happens. I figured there'd be like a million keys everywhere, but there's not. Cool. That took care of that. All right, folks. That's gonna be it for this video, other than clean up the mess, but I'll take care of that. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, share it, and thanks for joining me and watching the 100th video from the Ditch Pig Experience. This crushing stuff's kind of fun. If you can think of something to crush with the Ditch Pig, let me know. Drop it in the comments, and yeah, we'll crush some more stuff. Yeah, that was fun. Cool. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.